Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Looks like Sunday night the market's open for a short time, so I apologize I didn't do a weekly update before then. But here we have the dollar. It came down a little bit, as you can tell, Sunday night. Here's a 5-hour chart. We got a double top. Still hanging above the support lines, though. So we'll see how we open tomorrow morning or later this afternoon. We do have a monthly close coming up. Tuesday is going to be the last day of trading for May, and you can see the the bearish retracement as it fell below the 8 and 13 on a monthly chart, and we're looking at a double top or a forward top on a monthly. So it doesn't look good. You have a falling or a hanging man here and a confirmation. We got a breakdown and a bearish retracement back into resistance. 92 is the bottom of the barrel there. It's a watch out below as we come up on approximately 90 where this meeting line is. So I'm looking to see if the dollar wants to come down. It did close near its highs so far this month. This could just be a major bounce. We'll see. S&P, same thing. I missed the weekly close as it kind of just moved around a little bit Sunday evening, I believe. 5-hour chart. Got some consolidation moving sideways, making a little small pattern. So we'll see how we open tomorrow morning or later this evening. Totally missed the weekly close, but it does look bullish so far as it is above our lower highs, and did a bullish move across the 34, a bullish retracement, and it wants to move forward. Watch for a flat top break at 2100. It's likely. It sees that real close, as it's just a few notches away. Same with the Dow. Let's see a monthly close so far. It's pretty bullish, closing on its highs so far this month. Look for that flat top break on a monthly chart. It looks pretty badass. Same thing with the Dow. Here's a weekly close, closes on its highs. Here is the monthly chart as Tuesday is coming up real fast here. It looks like we got a bullish hammer right off support, but I'm calling it bullish because we are above all lines of support. Our trend line, our EMA 8, 13, and 34, and it's following the S&P as it crossed right back above the trend line. So once a whipsaw came down into support, now it came all the way back up. See how we open, but it is the summer. Selling may go away. So far that hasn't mattered much to the equities. The NASDAQ did a total reversal last week of what I expected. All this was bearish, and just out of nowhere, lower high or higher low, right back above 34. Look for a bullish retracement back as price comes into support as the 8 and the 13 are crossing. Monthly close so far, let's see, it's closing on its highs. We got a downtrend line. It looks like it wants to break. And move higher. Look for a flat top break at about 46. All-time highs going to 47.30. Nice bounce, obviously here. Moved up, bullish retrace, back into support, and now it wants to move higher as it's near its highs on a monthly chart. In this monthly candle. Crude kind of backed off last week as it hit its price at 50. We want to get above that triple top there as it's working its way above these highs here. Ultimately, I think we can get to 60 on this. Look for any bullish retracements, as it's only had this tiny one since it's been above the 34. So far in a month, looks like a nice bounce, and on a monthly it looks like it wants to move forward, as the monthly has a lot of work to do to get back up to that 34. Nice double bottom on a monthly, nice reversal bar on a monthly, long-legged dojis, tweezer bottoms, right past resistance. Looks like a bust above 50 will get us to 60. So there you go. Monthly's looking pretty prime. As you can see, it needs a lot of work, and it's doing it just fine, as it really came down hard, made new lows. So we'll see what happens. Its natural course is to hit this 34 eventually, but like I said, it's got a lot of work to do. Could be months, a year before it gets up that area on a monthly chart. Gold got smacked down in the middle of Sunday night, no one watching again. Here's our candle on a 5-hour chart on the close on Friday, which was looking pretty good until they smacked it down. We do have a double bottom on a 5-hour chart. We smacked into resistance again, and now we're on the way back down. So we got support at 1200, double bottom. So we'll see how we open this evening. But we need to get some kind of a bounce above 1220 on this silver on gold. It doesn't look good, as it did a bearish retracement back into resistance. There's another bearish retracement back into resistance. Bearish retracement, bearish retracement, bearish retracement. Hopefully we can get a nice bounce. It has been coming down since 1280, so $80 almost straight down. We are working a double bottom now on a 5-hour chart. Monthly, right back into support. So we'll see how the last day moves. Maybe we can get a bounce, and we need to get gold above our 34 on a monthly. So we've got one more day. Hate to see this thing break down, but we do have another double bottom over here at 12. 1, 2. So we've got plenty of support on the monthly chart. Let's see if we can get a bounce above the 34. Silver, again, smacked it down. Here's our Friday close on a 5-hour chart. Had a nice hammer, but no. We are working for a double bottom now, though, as it bounced right below 16 and closed. I don't even know how long it was open, but it closed above 16. See how we open? That's bearish retracement, bearish retracement, bearish retracement. We are working with the double bottom now on a 5-hour chart. All the way down below 16, popped above, closed above 16, just barely. Really thought the bounces would come by now. Let's see how the last day of the month goes. On a monthly chart so far, looks like a full bullish retracement the whole month. Next month looks prime. We need to break that flat top break at 18 and watch this thing trend change finally on a monthly chart. Looks pretty good. Too bad we had to wait a whole month for it to retrace. Let's see what happens. Copper putting in some higher lows, but it is coming into resistance. Could be an AB bottom, but too soon to tell, as it needs to break previous highs and consolidate above our 34 on a weekly chart. Monthly chart, like I keep stating, copper has a lot of work to do to get back up to 280 or 34 on a monthly chart. Lots of work. So far so good, as it made a bottom, but did not get above resistance on a monthly chart. So again, lots of work for copper, but I like to see this thing trend change on a monthly chart, because it might be a lot of fun to trade once it starts moving up. Weekly again, I think I forgot the weekly on gold. As it got crushed last week. We are working on this moving evening stars. A lot of people were talking about this head and shoulders top. It made an extension bar, and now we have a 3-bar evening star, totally in control, as we broke below previous lows. Will they take it all the way down to the 34 on a weekly? I'm not sure, but be nice if it did to stay above any kind of close above these highs. But that's where our 34 is this support right here. Silver, I think I forgot as well on weekly. Kind of took it down Sunday night. We were looking pretty good up here the last Friday close, as we closed above support, but now we're breaking into previous highs. Will they take it all the way back down to 15? I'd hate to see it, but if the big buyers are on the bid still, no reversal yet, that's for sure on a weekly chart. Looks like we're working a doji or spinning, but we'll have to see. GDX 5-hour chart, we are working with a higher low, but as the week ended, we got slaughtered again as it broke down that three bars here, making this a confirmation now. Hanging man, we did bounce, but looking at gold and silver, looks like this thing's going to come down some more. Shoot, all the way down below 20. Doesn't look good. We need a bounce. Same as GDXJ on a 5-hour, working with a double bottom now. but it's near its lows, so it doesn't look good. You can see that nasty candle now broke that triple bottom right below the 8. Well, not bad, but because we broke this triple top, it might have a continuation. We got support at 30. We got previous highs in and around 29 to 28. Hopefully we don't get all the way down there. But hang in there, guys. I think the bleeding will soon end. Hopefully it doesn't go all summer as the institutional buyers take these things down. Monthly close. Looks like we're above our 34 on GDXJ, which is good. It's coming back into support on a monthly chart. Same with GDX. So these are still bullish. These are bullish retracements. Just going to have to wait it out. But that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Appreciate all you guys' comments. And don't forget to donate if you can. Buy me a cup of coffee. The PayPal link is on my YouTube channel. But let me know what's going on out there. See ya.